Hey guys, Dr. Jake here with Inver Chiropractic, and today I'm going to be talking in this short video a little bit about something that we see very often in our practice, and that is sciatic pain. And the purpose of this video is I'm going to show you something you can be doing at home to help alleviate or improve some of the symptoms that you may be having. So before we get into that, what is sciatic pain and why is that occurring? Well, 80% of Americans are sitting all day long at work, so they look just like I do right here. And you can see as I'm sitting here, my hips and my legs are so much closer to my abdomen. When that happens, we get really tight and contracted up front. And so a muscle called the psoas really shortens up and starts to squeeze on our lumbar spine where the nerves for the sciatic nerve are coming out of. But on top of that, what's happening on the backside into my butt is those muscles are being stretched out really far, and when they contract back or try to squeeze, they kind of become angry. So what we're going to show you is how to foam roll a muscle called your piriformis. It's underneath that big glute. How to start? Best way to do it is to start with a foam roller underneath your knees like this. And then I'm going to use my feet and my arm here to pick myself up, and now I'm sitting right on top of this. All right? The first way you can think about this is a little bit of a warm-up is that I'm going to have my feet flat on the ground, my arms behind me. I'm just going to ease myself back and forth nice and slow. I want to make sure that my muscles in my butt can tolerate my body weight going down on it, right? So when it comes time to get your piriformis, I'm going to scoot around here a little bit. So I'm going to be working on my left side here, this side piriformis, again, underneath my butt. So this leg stays straight, left leg straight, my left arm is going to come back and post behind the foam roller. The reason why is this leg and this arm is going to support my weight. I take my right side and I cross it over my knee. So now you can see I've kind of rotated and I'm leaning over here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this foot and this arm and just kind of push myself back and forth across my butt. To find your piriformis, all you need to do is shimmy yourself back and forth this way as well, and you'll find that spot. So for me, right there, I can feel a little bit of tension in my butt, and that is the piriformis. So I'm just going to wobble back and forth for about 30 seconds. Okay? Then what you can do is you can switch over to the other side. So I do the same thing over here for 30 seconds. Come back to this side, 30 seconds again here, and then 30 seconds back there. The purpose for that is so we can give our muscles a little bit of a break in between. If you were to do that 3 or 4 times a week, that would help calm down that angry muscle, relieve the pressure on the nerve that's in your butt going all the way down your leg, and hopefully help you with that numbing, burning, tingling, all those things that are associated with sciatic nerve. So if you have any questions at all, if you are suffering with sciatic pain, if one of your friends or your coworkers is suffering with sciatic pain, and you see this video, go ahead and show them how to foam roll, right? It's a fairly easy concept, but if you have some more in-depth questions or you want to know a little bit more, please comment on the video below or share with your friend. Give our office a call. Get yourself set up and get yourself checked out. Okay, we look forward to seeing all of you here at Inver Chiropractic, and have a wonderful day.